Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can grow the hyacinth, that I pronounce it, flower in Heartopia. So basically, you need to be level 11 of the gardening hobby. I'm just going to purchase, I usually just do 9 of each. So the red one, and then the yellow, and then the white one as well. And I'm just going to plant it in my house, and I'll be right back when it's done growing. Probably tomorrow, and yeah, I'll show you the finished results. I'm obviously not going to be able to crossbreed it all by tomorrow, but I'll get a few seeds from it, I guess. Okay, I was wrong. It's gonna take 3 days, so I'll see you guys in 3 days when it's grown. And this is what it looks like when it's all grown. It's super pretty, but that is basically it. Again, you can crossbreed these flowers. Let's actually see, is it still locked? I feel like it's still locked unless I pick one. So I am going to pick one. Here, I'll pick the yellow one. So let's open it and see what colors we have for the hyacinth. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, we have yellow, red, white, orange, pink, black, peach, purple, blue, and it's the Sun Glow Hyacinth. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!